You want to make all these equipment autonomous. And to solve the autonomy, you can either do a very case by case or very side by side basis autonomy, where you just do a lot of non scalable settings for a particular site, which would make the operations very expensive for you, which is viable for something like mining, where you have the same site which is going to be operated for many decades.
Yeah.
But when it comes to construction, you shouldn't really do that. Like you could do that and you could like make headlines, but then you're not really realizing the goal of having scalable autonomy. And so if you think about Waymo or any self-driving company, for the past decade or even more, what they were doing is they were driving the cars around. They were collecting those edge cases. They were collecting those data sets of every city that they have deployed in to understand how the world looks like. And then they develop the policies for the autonomous navigation. We sort of are doing that, but we are doing that profitably. So the remote tele-op helps us to profitably collect those data sets and then train autonomy. We want to do that with a very minimal hardware setup. And so if you scale up data collection, you could push out autonomy with a very minimal hardware stack, pretty much like a robo taxi where you just have camera-based systems.